Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and before we get started with this video, I would just like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Those of you who have decided to join me here at the Duck's Nest, welcome. And of course, for the existing subscribers, thank you and welcome back. So this video is going to be a bit of a combination of Coach and Dooney and Bourke. There will be a Coach unbagging, very, very small, and the unboxing of the item that I went on my morning commute rant about. So let's go ahead and get started with the Coach portion of this video. And the item that I am going to share with you is this little item. I'm sorry, the lighting's really bad. This little item that I picked up from the outlet, and it is this one, which is a little card case. Now, I would say that this is a 1941 item. However, Coach is saying that it is not, because I could not find any 1941 insignia on this piece, and this says Coach New York. It does not say 1941, but this is a glove tan leather piece, and the stitching against the black is just so pretty. Wait a minute, take my glasses off. Yeah, the engraving on the button there, it just says Coach. So the interior is like a pretty dark metallic, and then you'll see that glove tan leather printed there. And then here is a pocket, and there is the interior. Again, nothing on the back, just a really simple little case that I picked up. And the reason I picked it up is because I thought that it would go well with my duffel, which of course is a 1941 piece. You all have seen this before, or maybe you haven't, but here's a quick introduction. Those links there at the bottom. And she is stuffed right now, but she has a pocket, and then her strap, her hardware, and then the interior. And so what I thought is I would attach this piece. I'm just going to attach it here quickly because I don't want to take the time to do it by undoing this. Hold on one second. So I thought that would work there. And also I thought it might work on my bandit, just attached there, maybe hung on the inside, because the stitching, even though bandit is pebbled and this little card case is smooth, they have matching stitching. So I thought I could loop that around and just have quick access to my card, my debit card, my license there. So that is my little Coach unbagging. Now, let's talk about Bandit for a quick second. You all, the more I carry this bag, yeah, the more I'm loving her. This, of course, is my Bandit in the 39 size. And I added this I don't know if I've ever talked about this tassel, but I added this tassel. I bought this tassel from Michael's, and it's all black. Everything on it is black, and my bag is a little more high-end than this tassel that I bought for, I think, $5.99 or something from Michael's. So I did not want this tassel to glare and be a contrast against this bag. So I was really happy to find it in this monochromatic black because it adds a little something to the bag, but it definitely doesn't speak and say, hey, here I am. She bought me from Michael's and I'm $5.99 against this really nice leather bag. So anyway, here's the interior. And this, oh my gosh, I love this bag. One thing I have noticed since I've been carrying Bandit more and more is that she has a key keeper. And if you know anything about Bandit, you'll know she really doesn't have a key keeper, but I have made a key keeper by detaching the handle for her piece that snaps out, the center zip, so to speak, and this makes the perfect key keeper. And then I just drop my keys in there, leave that unzipped, and when I need my keys, and it's a leather key keeper, not a webbed key keeper. So that is just something I wanted to share about my Bandit that I am, like I said, just loving more and more. This bag passes the elbow test, and she has this purple that matches the purple interior. I'm really, really loving the black one. I also have one in dark turquoise, but it's the black that, yeah. All right, so speaking of purple, you all will notice that I am in a waffle weave sweatshirt with a scarf because in mid-April, we got down in the 30s. Yeah, welcome to the Midwest. So I had to put on some heavier clothes, and I think that concludes the coach portion of the video. So we will move on to the Dooney and Bourke portion. So, move my keys out of the way here. All right, this unboxing, like I said, it is the bag that I went on my morning commute rant about a couple of mornings ago. I really wanted this bag and I really wanted this color, and Dooney just, yeah, for some reason it's way more expensive than it had to be. So let us open the box and see what my rant was all about. Alright, so here's my packing slip. And of course there's nothing in the box except the bag. You all know that. And as I said, it is a small bag. And I have a strong feeling this is a return because the bag is sealed on every side, and usually brand new bags have a flap with like glue. So yeah. Anyway, let's see what it holds. So this is the Dooney and Bourke satchel in the small size in the color key lime. So let me see if I can get you all a better, is the color coming across better? There. So everyone is familiar with, let me see, I don't know, she's kind of washing out. Let me see. I'll put her against this frame. Is that better? All right, so here's the key lime. She of course has feet. Like I said, she's a small size. Of course, you have the rolled whip stitched handles. Everything on this bag is monochromatic. There is no contrast. Her tassels, the interior on her tassels. The only contrast would be her whip stitching and then her tape on her zipper. So let me just inspect her. Oh yeah, she's been returned. Yep, she's a return. Oh my gosh, okay. I went on a morning commute rant when I purchased her. Do I need to go on an evening rant? Because she came to me in this condition at the price that I Love Dooney charged. All right, let me keep going. So yeah, here's the strap. Not packaged at all, just thrown in the bag, attached to the, of course, webbed key keeper. Let me just inspect. I have a feeling this was the last one, which means they probably should have marked it way down, but okay, there's I Love Dooney for you. Here's her dust bag. There is no Dooney and Bourke tissue paper, just stuffed with, well, that I can see on the top anyway, which is where it's supposed to be. So here's her interior. Her sticker is in place. Did you all see that? However, her registration card is missing. Yeah, not in the stuffing at all. Now, a couple of thoughts. I really, really, really wanted this color in this size, which is why I went through with the purchase process. I had, as you all know, Tink Tink was in this color, and yeah, Tink Tink was sacrificed, but I did love Tink Tink's color. And for those of you who have no idea who Tink Tink or what Tink Tink is, I had a wallet in pebble leather in this color that, yeah, you have to go watch that video. It's called What Lies Beneath. If you've never heard tink tink. But anyway, I really like this color. I thought it was the perfect, number one, it's the perfect spring and summer color, and number two, this is a neutral bag. I really, despite all the pricing issues that I went through, I really thought that this is a bag that could be my go-to for spring and summer, or one of my go-tos for spring and summer, because she is a neutral. So yeah, I went ahead and purchased her, and to be honest with you, I'll probably keep her and probably use her a lot in the spring and summer. So there you have it, handbaggers. I don't really think I need to do a review on this bag, because there are tons and tons of reviews on this satchel. But you know what, maybe I will, because there aren't a lot of reviews on this size. So maybe I'll do a what's in my bag, because I don't think I need to do a review. Maybe I'll just do a what's in my bag in a later video, because we're already at 16 minutes. So there you have it, handbaggers, the morning commute rant bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for dropping by the Duck's Nest, and as always, happy carrying.